use of service entrance cable inside service entrance mast conduit is a violation of the National Electrical Code. NEC Section 338.10b, titled Service Entrance Cable Types SE in Use, outlines the permissible installation methods for these cable types. Specifically, subsection 3 of 338.10b states that service entrance cable types SE in use shall be installed only in metal conduit or tubing. The installation described violates this requirement, as service entrance cable is being installed inside service entrance mast conduit, which is not considered metal conduit or tubing for the purposes of this section. Service entrance mast is designed to support the service drop conductors and provide a point of attachment for the service entrance conductors, not as a raceway for service entrance cable. Furthermore, NEC Section 338.10c, titled Installation of Service Entrance Cable, specifies that service entrance cable shall be installed as complete assemblies without field cutting or splicing. Installing service entrance cable inside service entrance mast conduit typically involves manipulating the cable within the confines of the mast, potentially leading to bending or stress that could compromise the integrity of the cable assembly. The code aims to ensure the cable is installed in a manner that maintains its original manufactured condition and performance characteristics. NEC Section 338.10d, titled Connections to Service Entrance Conductors, addresses the connection of service entrance cable to service entrance conductors, stating that service entrance cable shall be connected to service entrance conductors in accordance with 250.148b. NEC Section 250.148b, titled Connections to Service Entrance Conductors, further clarifies that service entrance conductors shall be connected to the service entrance equipment by terminals, lugs, or other approved means, and that the connections shall be made in accordance with 110.14d and 250.8. This section emphasizes the importance of proper and secure connections to ensure electrical continuity and prevent overheating or arcing. The installation method in question does not directly violate these connection requirements, but it's important to consider the overall integrity of the installation and whether the service entrance cable can be properly terminated and connected within the service entrance equipment after being routed through the service entrance mast. In summary, the use of service entrance cable inside service entrance mast conduit is a violation of the NEC due to two primary reasons. Firstly, it does not comply with the requirements of 338.10b3, which mandates that service entrance and use cable be installed only in metal conduit or tubing. Secondly, it may compromise the installation as a complete assembly, as required by 338.10c, due to the manipulation and potential stress placed on the cable during installation within the service entrance mast.